Understanding the role of the ring bearer in weddings. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to delve into a special phrase that you might have heard in the context of weddings. Ring bearer. Let's find out what it means and where it comes from. The term, ring bearer, refers to a role in a wedding ceremony. This is typically a young boy, often aged between 4 to 8, who has the special task of carrying the wedding rings down the aisle to the couple getting married. The ring bearer usually walks ahead of the bride, symbolically bringing the rings that represent the couple's commitment to each other. The role of the ring bearer has its roots in ancient traditions. Historically, it was believed that wedding rings were symbols of good luck and prosperity. By entrusting these valuable items to a young child, it symbolized purity and the hopeful, innocent future of the couple. This tradition has evolved over time, but the symbolic value remains significant in many cultures. In modern weddings, the ring bearer often dresses in attire that matches or complements the wedding theme. He may carry the rings on a small pillow or in a decorative box. While it's a role filled with responsibility, it's also seen as an honor and a way to involve younger family members in the ceremony. While the concept of a ring bearer is common in Western weddings, it's interesting to note that different cultures may have their own unique traditions related to this role. In some cultures, the rings are carried in different ways, or the role may be filled by a different member of the family or a friend of the couple. So, there you have it, a brief exploration into the charming world of the ring bearer. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of this unique and endearing wedding role. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more fascinating insights into the English language. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.